This is our home, my neighborhood in the Philippines. You can see, our, what do you call this? Rooftop, roof, roof of our house. You see, this is the house of the less fortunate Filipinos people. Our roof, you can see the roof. It's very, very not good. So you see our roof. That's our home. That's our life. Here, less fortunate people here in the Philippines. Thank you.